Hello, and welcome to Connections, small ag producer workshops funded by the Show Me Entrepreneurial Grant for Agriculture through the Missouri Agricultural and Small Business Development Authority. I'm Clara Dickinson, an instructor of agricultural communications at Missouri State University, and today I'm going to be going over with you some tips and tricks to Facebook Insights. Just like any other time you want to work on the back end of your business's Facebook page, you will log into your personal page as normal and go to your business page and come down here to the Facebook Meta Business Suite. And we're going to select that so that it opens in a new tab for us. And then as it loads, we will see that we have all of our tools that we can use, such as viewing our notifications, our inbox, our scheduling planner, our ads, and our insights. So today we're looking at our insights. So we're going to come into this tool. And we start out here on the overview page. So this page gives us just a quick snapshot of what is happening with our Facebook. You can see here that you have a daily or a cumulative, so you can compare and see that. So over time, we have a steady increase, which is a great thing to have. You can also change the amount of days that you're looking at. So right now we're looking at 28 days. So say we want to look at the whole year, we can update that. And we can see how our year has been for us. For the rest of this, we're just going to go back to those 28 days and see what May looked like for us as a business. The next tab under Overview is Plan. So if you are wanting to create a plan within your Facebook Insights, you can go ahead and do that with this tab. You can create an ad, create a story, and just do some different things to increase your reach. Under that is our Results tab. So this gives you a broken down version of your Facebook reach and your Instagram reach if you have one. So for us, we have both, and so we can see how they are doing compared to each other. So down here, we also have our number of visits over the last 28 days. So we can see our Facebook page gets more views than our Instagram page. So this might be something that we would address in our marketing plan of how to increase the views of our Instagram page. We can also see what our followers, if they're increasing or decreasing. And we can also see how our ads are going. Since we don't have any paid ads, there's nothing there for them to report to us. Next, we have the Audience tab. This is a great one if you want to see who you are reaching, especially say if your business is trying to reach a different demographic and you're not sure if you've reached them or not. This is where you'd want to come. So we would go into the Demographics tab up here, and you can also see where we can select Facebook or Instagram, and you will see that those numbers will change because our followers do not stay the same across those different platforms. So for now, let's stay on Facebook. And we can see our top cities. That might be a big thing for a business. Is your business just staying in your city? Is it going out further? So for us, our top city is Springfield because Missouri State Ag is based here in Springfield. But you can also see some of the surrounding cities are also some of our top cities. And then you can also see that we might have a little bit of an international reach as a university. And then we can go into potential audience here. So you can see here that our potential audience could be reached out. As a university, we have alumni all over the country, so we could see that we might have alumni in some of these other larger cities, and that could become a potential audience for us. We can also see some of the top pages in Facebook. While none of us are ever going to compete with Walmart, it's just interesting sometimes to look at what those look like. You can also see some insights here on messaging. How many people are you contacting? Are they returning to contact you? This will be very important for you if you're using your Facebook Messenger to take orders. And then we have benchmarking. So benchmarking gives you an idea of what other businesses in comparison are doing. Do you have similar followers? Are you getting similar interactions? It can also give you businesses to watch. And see what they are doing to help you increase your followers as well. Then we have a content overview. So this would be based off of specific post. So we can see that we have a really good link clickage going on with anytime we provide a link for another website on our post. We can see that our images do really well, and that so do our videos. And we can also down here see our highest post reach. So recently we had a big announcement of a new dean, and this post reached a lot more people than what we would typically reach with an average post, just because of its visibility. And then you can go here to content, and this will show you individual posts. So you can see that this post here at the top has reached 233 people and had 9 reactions. We can see also this post down here about a study away trip also had a comment. So those would be posts that we want to make sure that if someone's leaving a comment that it needs a response, that we're going back and responding and increasing that engagement with those followers. We can also see that another one of our study away trips had 5 shares. So that's a great way to reach our new potential audiences. So we will want to keep posting about things like study away, because we know that brings us engagement to our page that also reaches outside our normal everyday audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on tips and tricks for Facebook Insights. Until next time, I'm Clara Dickinson with Connections Small Ag Producer Workshops, funded by the Show Me Entrepreneurial Grant for Agriculture through the Missouri Agricultural and Small Business Development Authority.